Alright, so for 2022, I am going to start doing some reviews and some unboxing videos for you guys. So you can just take a quick little peek into what Love by Toy has going on behind the scenes, and just to get a good idea of what I have to bring going forward. To get started, I purchased 2 bags from Tote and Carry, and they're small purses, so this is my first time actually opening them up, so you get to see them along with me. I do like their packaging. Inside of their box, they have a thank you card, $50 off your next purchase. That is actually really nice because I did want to purchase some more items from them. And then the bag comes in a little duster. So their boxes are pretty much the same size as the bags, which make the shipping easier. This bag is actually the Sarah in Pastel Blush. They had 2 different styles. One came with a chain handle and one came with a pearl handle. As you can see, I chose the chain handle. This is nice. This is cute. I really don't like carrying purses, so I really like things that are closer to a clutch. Things that are easy to carry. I don't like big bags. So this is cute because not only can I carry it as a little handbag, which is perfect for me, it also comes with a little strap for crossbody. Super cute. This color is pastel. On the inside, it has 3 sections per se: the front, the middle zip, and then the back. I can put my phone in here, wallets, if I wanted to put another wallet, or I can just put my money and my cards in the middle. Overall, out of a 10, I would definitely give this one a 9.5. I really like this bag. All right. Now, this is a little bigger. With this bag, oh wow, I got 2 thank you cards for $50 off. So that's a total of 3. Thank you, Tote and Carry. You definitely want me to do more shopping with you, and I probably will because I'm obsessed. Now this one is red. They didn't have any purses like this in my other favorite color, which is royal blue. But I thought this red was very, very cute. So I definitely wanted to get it. Okay, got a little stuff there. All right. So the handle on this one is also a chain handle, but it is actually the same color as the bag, which is red. And it has like a snakeskin type print vibe to it. Very, very, very cute compared to the other one. So, you know, give me a little size option. Now this one definitely has more compartments because of course it is a little bit bigger. Oh, so zipper, oh, there it is. I was about to say, don't do that. Now this inside definitely has more compartments. It also has the strap to be able to wear as a crossbody if I wanted to, or just a purse. On the inside, it definitely has card compartments. It has a zipper where you can put your coins and your money. On the other side, let me just tell you, this is a very soft, subtle purse. This piece in the front, I didn't know it was not connected. However, that is a little cute little section, just like a little flap. And it actually looks like, I don't know, it might, oh snap, it can come off. Okay, that's cute. That's super cute. So this is actually 2 bags in one. If I didn't want to carry the big bag, I can separate it. Actually, I'm sorry, this is 3 bags in one. That is super cute. Okay, tote and carry. All right, that was dope. That's I like this. This is cute. This is really cute. What are you doing? I'm sorry, y'all. My dog is over here and stuff. What are you doing? Sit down. Come sit. Come sit. Sit down. So definitely, I'll give this one definitely a 9.5 as well, because this is just like, wow, 3 bags in one. And like I said, with the ring on the end, it has a little piece where you can separate it. I don't know if you can see on the camera. You can separate it, and then it comes out so that way you can separate the bags. So this is definitely really cute. All right, now this is something that I've been waiting for. I almost missed it because it's sold out, and I just so happened to go online again and saw that they had it in stock, so I had to get it. This is my birthday dress. I'm not going to try it on for you guys because I don't want to not like it, and you know, you guys see it, and you know, I don't want to go through all that. So I will show it to you because I definitely think the dress is super pretty, awesome dress. The model they had it on the website was not the best representation, you know. However, I did see some of the reviews and everybody did say they liked it. This is from Miss Circle. I actually found out about this company in like, I believe, 07, I believe, something like that. But it was pretty much after I moved to Georgia. And they had the cutest bandage dresses, because back in the day, BB sold bandage dresses. And if you couldn't get a bandage dress from BB, then any other company that sold them, you would want to get one, especially if you couldn't buy any of her Liger dresses, her Liger dresses. So with that being said, let's look at this dress from Miss Circle. It is a sequin corset style dress, mini dress. And let's just say the color is freaking awesome. I am already living thus far. This is pretty. The sequins are definitely not one of those where they fall off. I mean, this is pretty. Now, my only concern would be the girls, because this definitely does not have any support in the front. It is definitely a corset style dress. Let me see if it has any stretch in the bottom. The bottom does have stretch, so at least, you know, over my hips will be okay, because, you know, the girl got a little hips back here. However, I can honestly say Miss Circle. As long as it fits, I'm gonna be looking like a pretty ass disco ball on my birthday. So with that being said, thank you for your time. Welcome to Aquarius season, even though it's still, I believe, Capricorn season, but you know, they ain't important. Either way, have a happy new year. Thank you for sharing this time with me, and catch me later.